Navigating all of your car insurance options can feel like being stuck in an escape room. Tons of companies are all yelling for your business, making it tough to think straight. Here's the thing. Liberty Mutual keeps popping up when it comes to finding a good balance of coverage, affordability, and customer service. So, in this video, we'll shed light on what Liberty Mutual offers from all the coverage choices they have to their prices and how they handle claims. By the end, you'll know for sure if Liberty Mutual is your perfect match. Want to make shopping for auto insurance a breeze? Then visit autoinsurance.org. You can compare rates and see what coverage works for you. Just type in your zip code on our free quote tool, answer a couple of quick questions, and bam, personalized options that fit your needs. Easy peasy. Head over there today. Now, stick with me to learn all about Liberty Mutual. Let's do this. When picking an insurance provider, it's important to really look at all your choices. You want a company with a long-standing reputation that's been around and proven itself over the years. At the same time, you need good rates and a range of coverage that meets your specific needs. Let's see if Liberty Mutual meets that criteria. With over a century of experience, Liberty Mutual has been through it all in the insurance world, building expertise you can count on. From auto insurance to boat insurance, they offer a broad range of policies to ensure you're protected. Also, coverage is available in all 50 states and Washington, D.C. What truly makes Liberty Mutual stand out, though, is their discounts, which can lead to substantial savings on your premiums. So, not only does Liberty Mutual provide comprehensive coverage, but they also prioritize helping you keep your premiums manageable. That makes them a strong choice for cost-conscious shoppers. But as attractive as Liberty Mutual coverage is, you need to explore your options. That's where autoinsurance.org comes in. Comparing insurance quotes has never been easier. Just visit the site, enter your zip code in the free quote generator, and get personalized rates from top providers near you. Before you commit to a policy, compare rates to find the best deal at autoinsurance.org. Once you compare quotes on our website, you'll have an idea of which provider is your favorite so far. Then, you'll need to see what that provider has for add-on coverage. Here's what Liberty Mutual has to offer. Liberty Mutual offers unique benefits that help you save on car insurance over time. A standout feature is their deductible fund, which reduces your deductible by $100 for every year you go without filing a claim. If you choose rental reimbursement coverage, Liberty Mutual adds convenience to your experience with their valet service. If your car is damaged but still drivable, they'll deliver a rental car to your location. Liberty Mutual also looks out for teachers. They'll cover your deductible if your car is vandalized during school events, and will reimburse up to $2,500 if any of your teaching supplies are stolen from your vehicle. Liberty Mutual's car insurance perks make them a popular choice among car owners. But they're just one of many companies out there. To know you're getting the best deal, be sure to compare your options at autoinsurance.org. Just pop your zip code into our free quote tool, and you'll see personalized rates from top providers in your area. No need to get stuck in an insurance rut. It's easier than ever to compare quotes at autoinsurance.org. And while Liberty Mutual has some great perks, they might not live up to your expectations. They tend to receive an average number of customer complaints compared to other companies their size, which isn't bad. It just means they aren't the best in this area. In a recent J.D. Power survey, Liberty Mutual claim satisfaction scored 870 out of 1,000, putting the company somewhere in the middle of the pack. What this means is that for some customers, claims went smoothly, while others found the process slow or frustrating. Now, it's important to remember that every insurance company will have a mix of satisfied and unsatisfied customers. Situations can vary, and sometimes misunderstandings or miscommunications lead to a less than ideal experience. That's why it's a good idea to dig into the details and find a provider that really aligns with what you want and need in an insurance experience. To help you weigh your options, head over to autoinsurance.org. With our free quote tool, you can quickly compare Liberty Mutual's rates and services against other top providers in your area. Simply enter your zip code, and in seconds, you'll get personalized options from different companies. When you compare quotes, you can see firsthand which provider might give you the best overall experience and value. And while claim satisfaction definitely counts, what matters most is finding coverage that matches your specific needs. That's why it's essential to really think about the types of protection you require and make sure the policy you choose covers those bases. Liberty Mutual offers minimum car insurance coverage, which basically protects other people's stuff and bodies if you're at fault in an accident. It starts at around $64 a month, which isn't bad. But here's the catch. It only covers other people, not your own car. If you want the full Monty, meaning collision and comprehensive coverage for your own car too, Liberty Mutual jumps to an average of about $177 a month. So yeah, the more coverage you get, the more it costs. But that makes sense, right? Hold on a sec. This is just Liberty Mutual's average rates. There are tons of other insurance companies out there, and chances are you might find a better deal depending on your driving record and what kind of car you have. The important thing is to find the sweet spot between cost and coverage. That's where autoinsurance.org comes in. We connect you to quotes from several top providers, letting you compare plans and prices side by side. Our search tool is quick, free, and can help you save hundreds on your auto insurance. Comparing rates really matters because your insurance premium can vary widely from one provider to the next. And it's not just about the type of coverage you pick. Factors like your age and gender can play a big role in what you pay for car insurance. So let's dig into how these factors can influence your rates, especially if you have a young driver on your policy. For 16-year-old males, the average monthly cost for Liberty Mutual full coverage car insurance comes in at a steep $785. But here is some relief. After turning 18, that drops to $626 a month. There is a price difference according to gender too. On average, teen boys pay about 1/3 more than teen girls. For example, a 16-year-old female with Liberty Mutual pays $723. That's $62 less a month, and that really adds up. That's $744 less a year. Remember, these are average numbers for full car insurance coverage for teens. The final cost will depend on factors like coverage options you pick and your teen's driving record. Insuring a teen driver, especially a male, can be pricey, which makes comparing quotes a must. So hop over to autoinsurance.org to see how much you could save on car insurance. With our free quote generator, you'll get quotes from multiple top providers in no time. It's quick, free, and could help you save a substantial amount. Go check it out and see how much you could be saving. Now, be sure to look into some add-ons that Liberty Mutual offers to their basic plan that can help you save or get extra protection. Here's the lowdown. Standard auto insurance policies can be customized with Liberty Mutual's add-ons, which can even help to lower your monthly payments over time. Consider their accident forgiveness option. This benefit ensures your premium won't go up after your first accident. Their new car replacement coverage is also a great choice for those who have just bought a new car. If your car gets totaled within its first model year and before it hits 15,000 miles, this coverage will reimburse you for a brand new vehicle. They also have better car replacement coverage. With this, you'll get reimbursed for a car that is one model year newer if your vehicle is totaled. But remember, no company is a one-size-fits-all situation. The best insurance company is the one that works for you. That's why comparing quotes is super important. Make a beeline to autoinsurance.org and use our quote generator. It's like having your own personal insurance matchmaker to see options from various companies, all for free. It's the simplest way to compare quotes and find the best rates effortlessly. So, be sure to check out autoinsurance.org today. Speaking of great rates, we have one more thing to share with you about Liberty Mutual. Find out the way to customize your rate and save big. If your goal is to save more on car insurance, Liberty Mutual RightTrack, a telematics program designed to monitor your driving behaviors, is your best bet. It can reward you a discount of up to 30% for the life of your policy. You can participate in their usage-based program using either an app or a plug-in device that tracks when you drive, your hard braking and acceleration, and how much mileage you rack up. Low-mileage drivers who avoid nighttime driving and don't slam the brakes or gas tend to save the most. RightTrack is excellent for enhancing your safe driving skills since it provides immediate feedback. The best part? Your car insurance rates won't rise if you don't score well with RightTrack. But ultimately, choosing Liberty Mutual should be a decision based on your specific needs after you've weighed different options. Head over to autoinsurance.org today and use our quote tool. There, you can easily compare quotes from several top insurers in just minutes. All right, we've covered the ins and outs of Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual consistently stands out as a reliable option, offering a balance of coverage, affordability, and customer service. They offer several coverage options, from minimum coverage to a full coverage policy, and even some helpful options like deductible fund and RightTrack. They also have some unique perks like rental reimbursement with valet service and special discounts for teachers. So, is Liberty Mutual the ideal choice for you? Well, that really depends on your personal needs and financial situation. That's why it's so important to shop around. Here at autoinsurance.org, we make it super easy to avoid the stress of finding out about rates, coverages, and ratings. In just a few minutes, you can receive quotes from multiple top insurance providers. Compare various coverage options side by side to find the best fit for your driving habits without draining your wallet. Visit our website at autoinsurance.org today. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us bring you more of the content you need to make smart insurance choices. And for more valuable insurance insights, subscribe to join the autoinsurance.org community here on YouTube. It will keep you in the loop on everything from cost-saving tips to in-depth reviews. So be sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Have you had any experiences with Liberty Mutual? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below too. Whether you're a seasoned Liberty Mutual customer or you have questions about the details we discussed, let's get the conversation going. Speaking of saving money on car insurance, did you know that your rate could potentially triple this year? Wild, right? We've got a whole video that dives into the reasons behind this and shares tips on how you might save up to 25% on your insurance. Be sure to check that out next. And hey, if you know anyone who's on the lookout for a new car insurance policy, especially If Liberty Mutual is one of the providers they're interested in, share this video with them. After all, knowledge is power. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.